Hello.
Yeah.
So today we have Mr. Karthik from Agam Robotics. So thank you for joining us today at Drone Expo Conference 2025 Hyderabad. So I would like to ask you a few questions related to the company and about yourself.
Sure.
So please introduce yourself to the audience and tell us a bit about your company.
Sure. Hi everyone, this is Karthik here, the founder and CEO of Agam Robotics. We develop like drone components and subsystems, which goes into the drones of like various types and different sizes. So we make mostly on autopilots and the sensor systems. We've been having the autopilots in the market for the last 6 months or so. We've been mass producing it and building the inventory and keeping it ready for the market. We've been interacting with a lot of companies who have been into like different sectors as well.
Great, that's really good to hear that. And so I know you have been dealing in a lot of things, but anything specifically that you're showcasing in this year's of Drone Expo?
Yes, we do have that autopilot, which is our main kind of like the product.
Okay.
So that is what we've been showcasing and like talking to a lot of people. And at the same time, we also had like few exclusively made for Drone Expo.
Okay.
So we had this rugged autopilot system, which kind of like I teased in my Twitter post.
Okay.
So that was kind of like the exclusive for like a lot of people who came just for the Drone Expo here.
Yeah.
And apart from that, we also had like optical flow sensor, GPS sensors, and there were like a few variations of power modules and like power distribution boards, which again like was specific to Drone Expo visitors.
Great. I think you have been dealing with a lot of things.
Yeah.
So now coming on to the exhibition. So like this is the second day today. So what do you think about the footfall? How was it?
It was amazing actually to interact with a lot of people in the coming from various industries.
The drone market, drone
market. Like it was like, even though we had dealt with few companies outside, but like this place was like one center place where I was able to get like a lot of insights in a very short time.
Okay.
And we were able to get like a lot of feedback on what they were looking for and what the product is. And surprisingly, I also met like few people who were like our customers who came here and said like they were happy with the product and they were like things went well for them and they were like interested to see us and like visit, wish us. So that was something amazing that I wasn't expecting.
This is really motivating for yourself and the company.
Sure, yes.
So we are having this expo next time in a much bigger venue in Mumbai next year.
Yeah, so that.
What's your call on that? Are you planning to participate?
Yes, we were just discussing that today. So we saw like how big this is happening and like the industry is growing. We want to like cater to like a lot of different sector. And I would definitely say like people have traveled far and wide to just come here for the Drone Expo.
Yes.
But again, like I won't see that a lot of people from like Mumbai or like Delhi might have traveled here. So that would be a bigger opportunity as well.
Yeah,
so
that is a totally different market.
Right.
So that is the main reason we should have expos in a different country so that we can cater different markets.
Exactly.
Mr. Karthik, it was really great interacting with you today. And I hope to see you in Mumbai this year.
Definitely, yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.